Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your email if it's not working on your iPhone. Now, if you have the email app open, the first thing we're going to do is swipe up and close out of the email app. When the email app is closed, let's go through the process of swiping down from the top right and just toggling airplane mode on. This will disconnect from your cell signal and it'll disconnect from your Wi-Fi depending on your preference. And let's toggle it back off just to reconnect everything. And then from there, let's open up the email again and see if it loads. Let's swipe down to see if it loads with any emails. But maybe it's still not working. You're not seeing any emails in there. The next thing that we can do is get into your settings. So open up the settings app on your iPhone. And from here, let's check a couple things that could be causing issues. The first issue is with the Mail app itself. So scroll down to the very bottom, and at the bottom we'll tap on Apps. And now from here, you'll be able to see the email clients. So let's scroll down to Mail here and tap on Mail. And you'll be able to see Mail accounts. So let's tap on Mail accounts, and let's say you're having issues with a Gmail account or something like that. The first thing I would recommend doing on here, you can see Mail is toggled on. What we're going to do is toggle it off for a bit. Essentially, this will disable this email on your iPhone, but there's still all that email within Gmail or whatever email access that you have. And then we're going to turn it back on. Now, after you've done that, open up the email app and see if it works at that point. If it still doesn't work for you, let's go back into the settings and we're going to tap on account settings here. Now you can see your name and email address, make sure that is correct. And we're going to tap on SMTP here and make sure that where it says Gmail SMTP or whatever email you have, it's set to on. And just tap on it and make sure the server is turned on and everything looks good here. If that looks all good, let's go back and tap on Advanced at the very bottom. And again, make sure everything is turned on, including Use SSL. So that should be toggled on. Now, after you go through all of these steps, if your email is still not working or it's still not updating, let's go back out of here. And essentially all you need to do is hit Delete Account and then just hit Delete from my iPhone. This will delete the email from your iPhone, but it's still obviously with Gmail or Yahoo or MSN, whatever email servers you have. And then you can, after you delete it, go back and then hit Add an Account. And then you'll just enter in your email address here and then go through the process of adding it back into your iPhone. Now, if these don't work for you, there are a couple other things we can check as well. Let's open up a web browser and we're going to just type in "is Gmail down?" And then just go to "is Gmail down?" and go to Down Detector. Of course, whatever email that you have, just go to Down Detector for that specific app. And then just check to see if there's a huge spike in reported outages. If there's not, then that's not the issue. If there is, of course, you just need to wait till the servers are back up and running. Now, if that's still not working for you, the next thing that we can do is hard restart on your iPhone. This fixes tons of issues. So we're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until we see the Apple logo appear. So I'll show you how to do it. Let's hit volume up, volume down, and press and hold that side button. You can see it says slide to power off, but we're still just going to keep holding that slide or power button until the entire iPhone screen goes black. And then we see the Apple logo appear. When we do see that Apple logo appear, we can lift our finger off and you successfully did a hard restart on your iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.